Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Savory Flavory Eats. On the menu tonight is a classic summer dish, shrimp scampi. In this pan over medium-high heat, I have 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to sear 1 pound of shrimp in batches that I've seasoned with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. The garlic you want to mince with a pinch of salt. You will mash the garlic against the cutting board with your knife and continually finely chop it until it forms a paste. You want to sear the shrimp in batches to ensure that you actually sear the shrimp and not boil them. You want to sear the shrimp on both sides for a total of 2 minutes until they're just pink. The second batch of shrimp are searing in the pan. This dish takes about 20 minutes to complete, so your pasta should already be cooking at this point. Before you add your pasta to the boiling water, ensure that the water is well seasoned with salt. You want the water to be salty like the sea. After the pasta is fully cooked, reserve half a cup of the pasta cooking liquid to be added back to the sauce later on. The starchy cooking liquid will add body to the sauce and bring the whole dish together. The shrimp have been removed from the pan. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 cloves of minced garlic, the zest of 1 lemon, and a pinch of red pepper flake. You can make this dish as spicy as you would like. Once the garlic is toasted, I'm going to deglaze the pan with half a cup of dry white wine. I have deglazed the pan with half a cup of dry white wine and the juice of 1 lemon. You're looking for your lemon to yield about a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Now that the wine and lemon juice have reduced by half, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cold butter. You want to add the butter over medium-low heat. As you can see, I'm shaking the pan. The butter is supposed to emulsify into the sauce, so the medium-low heat will ensure that the sauce does not break. As the butter is melting, I'm going to add in 8 ounces of cooked linguine. You can use whichever pasta you prefer. Just be sure to cook the pasta al dente. As you can see, we're going to further cook the pasta in the sauce, shaking the pan to ensure that we don't break the sauce. In go the shrimp. The shrimp are going to finish cooking as the sauce comes together. Now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of fresh Italian parsley that I've finely minced. In addition to that, we're going to add in our reserved pasta cooking liquid. I'm adding in a 1/4 cup. We've reserved a little more than what we needed to ensure that the pasta is not dry. And don't be moved by the fact that we're adding water and that the sauce looks a little thin. This sauce is jam-packed with flavor. And remember again that our pasta water is well seasoned, so this water is not diluting the flavor of the sauce at all. And the starchiness of the pasta water is going to help thicken the sauce and bring the entire dish together. At this point, you want to adjust your seasoning. Remember again that we seasoned the shrimp with salt, the garlic was minced with salt, and the pasta cooking liquid also has salt. So right now, I'm just going to add in a little bit of pepper and a pinch of salt, continually tossing the pasta in the sauce over medium-low heat. This is a process you want to take your time on. You don't want to break the sauce. There's a very delicate balance of flavor to good shrimp scampi. So in go a little additional seasoning. We're just going to continue to toss this together. As you can see, our sauce is thickening up nicely. It's coating the pasta well. Be sure to let your pasta rest for 5 minutes prior to serving. Dinner is served.